The private investigator Paul O'Sullivan has launched a 10 million rand counterclaim against KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, accusing him of spreading false and defamatory allegations. In court papers filed at the Gauteng High Court in Johannesburg, O'Sullivan alleges that Mkhwanazi made several unsubstantiated and damaging claims about him during proceedings before both the Matlanga Commission of Inquiry and Parliament's ad hoc committee probing alleged misconduct in the police service. O'Sullivan denies any wrongdoing, stating that Mkhwanazi's claims of criminal conduct are unfounded and unlawful, and said if a case has been opened for investigation, it has been opened unlawfully because it has not been registered and there is no record of it, or Mkhwanazi would have been able to cite the case number. The clash between the two men adds yet another layer of controversy to the ongoing turbulence within the police ranks and the justice system. In July, Mkhwanazi held a high-profile media briefing in which he leveled a series of explosive allegations against members of police management, the judiciary, and other senior officials. He cautioned the public not to allow figures like O'Sullivan to wield influence, saying the private investigator had control all over and warning that the country must not sit back and be run by him. The statements triggered national attention and prompted President Cyril Ramaphosa to intervene shortly after the briefing. Ramaphosa gazetted the establishment of a Judicial Commission of Inquiry under the Commissions Act of 1947 to investigate Mkhwanazi's allegations. Parliament also set up an ad hoc committee to run a parallel inquiry. Mkhwanazi's comments did not go unanswered. In September, O'Sullivan took to the airwaves, granting interviews to several media outlets, including Newsroom Africa, where he hit back hard. He accused Mkhwanazi of misusing public funds, claiming the commissioner approved the 36 million rand purchase of luxury vehicles in 2021. Sullivan also alleged that Mkhwanazi had travelled overseas with a police supplier and returned with an expensive Louis Vuitton handbag valued between 70,000 rand and 100,000 rand, which he probably gave to his wife. The bitter exchange soon escalated into legal warfare. Last month, Mkhwanazi filed a 5 million rand defamation suit against O'Sullivan over those remarks. The private investigator's new 10 million rand counterclaim now doubles the stakes in what has become one of the most heated public feuds involving South Africa's top law enforcement figures. Both men have portrayed themselves as fighting corruption, yet their courtroom battle threatens to expose deeper divisions and raise fresh questions about accountability within the country's policing structures. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.